This is Coach White here. Today we're going to go over the forward roll. Usually I have my mask for safety. Today I'm going to use it forward for the forward roll and safety. So I'm just going to fold that up, and I'm going to put it underneath my chin. So the key is I want to go ahead and have this underneath my chin the entire time. I'm going to go a little faster this first time, and then we'll break it down a little slower. So here we go. I go ahead, put my feet a few inches apart. I'm going to go ahead. And once again, I have my mask right here. Now we'll break it down a little bit more. For simplicity's sake, I am not going to have the mask in this time so I can actually talk to you a little bit easier. But you want your mask right here because you always want your chin to your chest. So I'll put that right there. We want our feet a few inches apart. At this time, we are going to go ahead and come down and touch the ground. When we touch the ground, our chin is to our chest, and we come down and we touch our head on the ground. When we touch our head on the ground, our legs are going to extend, okay? And then I'm going to tuck my chin to my chest, I'm going to go over, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my knees to help me tuck and go up. So once again, touch right here, head, push, knees, and then come up. All right, so that's the forward roll. So one more time. I'm gonna go ahead, bend down, touch the ground, forward on your head, push, push, tuck your chin, grab your knees, and come up. And that is the forward roll.